English shorthand dictation 80 words per minute. Start. The chairman said the parent company has had another successful year and the subsidiaries have again made profits which, apart from a small preference dividend, have been carried forward to their respective accounts. The profit for the current year is supplemented by an amount of rupees 30,712 provided in past years for taxation, which is no longer required for that purpose. Your directors propose to obtain new up-to-date machinery as and when this becomes available as a means of ensuring the greatest possible efficiency of production and in view of the high cost of replacement of plant, have set aside a sum of rupees 30,000 for this purpose. This raises the amount of the reserve for increase in replacement cost of fixed assets to rupees 40,000. Para. The directors consider that they should confirm once again with the government's request for limitation of dividends and therefore recommend no increase in the rate of 121% as paid for the last 2 years. They also recommend that the sum of rupees 44,793 should be transferred to general reserve, bringing the total up to rupees 1,30,000, and this leaves an amount of 27,144 rupees to be carried forward to next year in the parent company's accounts. Para. The number of our employees has remained fairly constant during the year, and owing to the shortage of labor throughout the trade, it has not been possible to increase our numbers. Your directors are doing all they can to obtain any labor which becomes available, and in this connection you will be interested to know that they have decided to provide canteen for the work people in the city. Construction has been commenced and it is hoped that it will be finished soon after the end of the year. Para. General conditions do not encourage other than moderately optimistic forecasts of the immediate future, but your company is in a sound condition and we look forward with reasonable confidence. Para. I conclude my remarks with an expression of appreciation to our staff in every grade whose energy, cooperation, and loyalty have contributed to our success during the past year. Para. The report and accounts were unanimously adopted. Para. The retiring directors were re-elected and other formal business was duly transacted. Stop.